All right, that's my non-aerosol spray bottle. It's just steel. Just uses whatever solvent you're putting in there. You just screw the cap off here, put in lacquer thinner, WD-40, kerosene, whatever you need to spray, whatever chemical you're spraying. Screw the cap back on, hook it up to the air compressor, put a little boost air in there, and have at it. It's got a good stream to it. It's a lifesaver for me anyway. Check it out, they do work good. I've had this one for several years now, and they are it's a neat thing. You can put anything you want to spray in there, you can put in there. You don't want to over pressurize it. I just put it in there and put just a little bit of air in it. On aerosol, so it's a little bit better all the way around. A little compressed air, and like I said, I put kerosene in there. I usually use lacquer thinner or the like to replace brake clean. Brake clean's gotten out of hand cost-wise. And with these cans, you fill them up, and it cuts down on shop cost, but